Vanguard, Bank of America, BlackRock, these massive institutions are buying and accumulating more Bitcoin right now. Why are they doing that? Well, because they're serious about the asset class and they know the devaluation of currency is happening every single day. Now, what is the hard thing to understand is that in the short term, that doesn't always mean price is going to go up. In the short term, the market is pretty volatile. But if you look over a long enough period, Bitcoin is compounding at 40 to 50% per year. And I believe it's going to continue to do the same. But you do have some years where it doesn't play out like that. And that's okay. The important thing is these big boys, these big institutions don't stuff around. They're only buying assets when they have high amount of conviction and they have the research team, the analysis, the legal frameworks to ensure that they can invest and hold for a long period of time. So there's been a lot of accumulation happen over the last few months. There's been a lot of sell pressure that's been happening. A lot of that has been happening from OG Bitcoin holders that have been selling into new owners. And a lot of these owners now are going to be the institutions that are buying at far higher prices, which means that they're not going to be selling it at 100,000 or 120,000. They're going to be selling it a lot higher. That is what's happening behind the scenes. It doesn't take, a week for this to play out. It takes months, sometimes years. But the big thing we need to understand is when the institutions are here, they're playing serious, and that gives maturity to this asset class.